Forget fancy studios and expensive software. In this video, I am going to show you how I create my talking AI images using your mobile phone.
He created me using this method, and he said he will be showing you the exact way of doing it.
Please support this channel by liking this video and subscribe. Also drop a comment and let me know what you want to learn next.
Now let's get started. Oh wait, make sure you subscribe to this channel first.
And here is the app that we are going to be using to create this animated AI avatar. If you don't have this app, it's called DreamFace. You just go to your Play Store, or if it is available on your App Store, you can check it out. But if you are using Android, you go to your Play Store and search for DreamFace, and you are going to see this particular app. Let me just open it up. You are going to see this particular app. This is the app, and here is the app logo. So you just install it into your phone, and after installing it, you will come to an interface like this. You just have to sign in with your email address and you come to an interface like this. To create this AI talking avatar, what you have to do is to come down here. You will see AI create. I'm just going to tap on the AI create option, and from here you will see talking avatar. There are a lot of things you can do on this website. You can create a singing song videos. You can create a dancing, make your photo dance. You can create a prank videos. You can add AI filters to your photo and all that, change outfit of your photo. Then you can also make image quality HD+. So those are the things you can do on this website. But here in this video, we are going to be talking about only the talking avatar. So if you want to create that, you tap on the talking avatar option, and from here you are going to see another interface like this. Then here we have other, if you scroll to your right hand side, at the bottom side, you have other characters that are here that you can make use of. But if you want to if you want to make use of any of these characters, you can just tap on any of them and it will change. Do not worry, these particular characters are characters that are AI images that are imported. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to add your own AI image. Now, to add your own AI image, you tap on this plus option. So when you tap on that plus option, if you have created an AI image that you want to make use of, or if you want to make use of your own photo, you should make sure that it is a photo that the face is visible and the mouth is visible. That is a kind of photo that works very well. So you just go to your folder where you want to import the image from. So you go to the folder and import your image. Let's say I want to import this particular image. After selecting the image, you simply tap on the import option. Before we continue, if you are meeting my channel for the very first time, you make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. I have a lot of videos on this channel that will teach you something that you need to know. So let's continue. If you are watching my video for the second time, or if you are my subscriber, please do well to like this video and drop a comment under this video. So let's continue now. After importing your image, what you are going to do is to tap on the continue button at the down side here, and when you do that, you will be given this option. So we have two options of inputting, of adding our voice. So you can either write a script by text, or you can add a voice over from your phone. So to do that, let's just consider the first option first before we talk about the second option. So if you tap on the text option, just tap on it, and from here you can write your script. You'll be given access to, I think, 1500 letters. Okay, that's up to 1 minute video. I'll show you again how you can make a longer video. All right, so now you just have to input your script. You can tell AI to write a script for you. At this side, you will see AI script. If I tap on that, I can select a topic. So let's say this topic is about cooking. So I'll just write inside here cooking. Okay, then the output language, you are going to select an output language from here, either English or any other languages that you have available on this website. Then the next thing I'm going to select is the voice tone. So this voice tone mean what you want to convey. Okay, so if I select on the drop down arrow from here you will see we have other tone that we can use. We have narrative, humorous, we have informative, friendly, promotional, solemn, heartfelt. So I'm going to use informative because the cooking aspect is informative and informing people. So this is you writing your script, okay, using AI to write your script. If you don't want to use AI, you can simply type in your script at that first this place that I show you. So from here it say cooking is not just about preparing and all that. So it has given me a script. If I want to continue now, I'll just tap on generate. Okay, so if I select
Hello,
generate,
welcome to
it will
DreamFace.
allow me,
Hello, welcome to DreamFace. We hope you have a wonderful day.
it's going to allow me to select the AI voices that are available on this website. These ones that you see where you will see the premium, it is for premium users. So I'm using premium, that is why I am allowed to access these premium features. So if you should scroll down, you see these other ones that the premium logo are not on. Those ones are free. So let me just play this.
Hello. Welcome to DreamFace. We hope you have a wonderful day.
So if you want to listen to it, you can simply tap on any of them and take a preview of how the voice sounds like. So if you have found the voice that you like and you want to use, simply tap on the voice,
Hello,
then
welcome to
tap on confirm button, and that will be confirmed. Now you are going to tap on animate. So when I tap on this animate, it's going to start animating, counting like this. I'm using a premium version, that is why you are seeing this orange button which is called boost. Okay, if you are not using a premium version as a free user, you'll be given this this particular green one. It's going to load to 100 and your video, you will access them in your profile. I'm going to show you how to access that, but before that, let me quickly talk about how you can do this using voiceover from your phone. Quickly select your image, then tap on continue. I've shown you this before. Now this particular time we are going to use by voice. So if you tap on by voice, you can actually do what? Record your voice from this website, from this application. You can select a voice from a video that you made. You can also do what? Select a voice from your folder. So those are the three different options of what you can use. I'm going to select voice from my folder. So from here, let me quickly choose a voice. You can search for your voice as the case may be. So I'm going to search for this voice, select the voice that I want to use and allow it to load. Now you tap on the animate option and give it time while your image is going to be animated. So now let's just go to our profile and take a preview of this. You can simply tap on view from profile. So from here, if you want to view your creation, you tap on profile. So when I tap on profile, I'm going to see all my creation, the one I've created. So let's take a look at the first one.
Cooking is not just about preparing food. It's an art form that involves creativity, precision, and passion.
So that is the video we have just created. You can see how authentic it is. Now to download it, you simply tap on save. And when I tap on this save, it's going to be saved to your device. So this is the second one that we did. See the same thing you are going to do. Let's take a preview look at it.
Now let's get started. Oh wait, make sure you subscribe to this channel first. Now let's
So that is the video. You tap on save and it will be saved to your device. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel and drop a comment under this video. I'd like to see your comment. Let me know what you want to learn next and I will do a video on that for you. So you can see this is the outcome of what we have created.
Cooking is not just about preparing food. It's an art form that involves creativity, precision, and passion. From selecting the freshest ingredients to mastering cooking techniques, every step plays a crucial role in creating a delicious dish. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, exploring different recipes and experimenting with flavors can truly elevate your culinary skills. So, roll up your sleeves, put on your apron, and let your love for cooking shine through every meal you prepare. Happy cooking!